Hi folks, so this is the Douglas fir here. And these are the young fresh tips. And we have quite a few Douglas fir around here. They're a very widespread tree, not a true fir. Pseudotsuga manzesii. And here are the young tips. They couldn't be more fresh and tender. And the thing to do is if you want a good cough lozenge when you're out and about on the trail, or even take them home and dry them or make a syrup out of them. You can make a syrup by picking the fresh shoots, making a very strong tea infusion, blend them up, heat them up, and get the dark tea, and then simmer it down till it's thick, maybe 1/10 of the original volume, and then add honey or sugar syrup or something and some orange oil, and fantastic cough medicine and expectorant. Keep your lungs clear and your sinus cavities clear. And the beautiful thing about just taking it right off the tree is no packaging, no labels, no quality control, nothing, straight from nature. And it couldn't be more tender. Vitamin C, sour, nice piney flavor. Just chew it all up till the particles are fine and swallow. Can't beat that. Thanks for watching.